good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 9. Today is Vlogmas Day 9. I'm super excited because we are doing the most Christmassy vlog I think I've done this year for Vlogmas. We are doing Christmas cookie making and Christmas present wrapping. Yeah, present wrapping. I had to process that for a second. And we're just going for it. We're doing super Christmassy things and I'm excited. So come and join me for the ride. Did I just buy a Christmas gift for my dog? Why, yes. Yes, I did. I went to the store and I buy him a gift every year. But this year, I bought him... Look at how cute it is. It's adorable. It's supposed to be like super durable. Let's go get some takeout.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy.
No.
Skippy 422.
No. So we're gonna get some takeout because I have a lot of things to do and I don't have time to cook. I don't normally do this. Like, this is very rare for us, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not like a normal thing for us to do. But it's actually kind of cool that I'm doing a night routine and he's actually off today because that means that you get to be in the vlog. You haven't even been in like any of the vlogs.
Just at Skippy 422. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, queen. Yes.
Let's go eat some grub. So pretty. Okay, I think this one is, that one's Diego's, beef and broccoli, fried rice, and chow mein. This one is mine. Mine, oh mine. This one has orange chicken, fried rice, and chow mein. I was zoomed in the last clip and I had no idea. I'm trying to get better at like putting the camera like this instead of having it down here. It's just that my arm gets tired, so I just genuinely go like put my arm down like this.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're gonna eat. Put the straw back on. Here, I can just take my straw off and then not put it back on.
Well, that wasn't my fault. Even though it was.
Even though it was, yeah. I want to get better at like praying before I eat. That's my goal in 2024.
To pray more before you eat?
Pray before I eat. You're so goofy. I literally said my goal was to pray before I eat in 2024, and I did not pray.
Well, that's why it's for 2024. Alright?
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that multitasking.
Yeah, because you never see stuff like that.
Peekaboo. Okay, so I wrapped some presents and now I'm going to go to bed. To bed, I said.
Buenas noches, biblioteca.
Yeah. Got him. If you yawned, you know.
Got him again.
I'm gonna wash my face and go to bed. I had a good day today. It was a lot of fun. Just baking. I'm so glad I baked because usually I don't bake during Christmas time, but I always want to. So baking these cookies was a lot of fun. I guess I'll just end it here and I will see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video.
Know the same.